CaityB, back in the building with yet another reaction video of Mama B. This is my mama, and we only react to polys or just Nesians in general. So for today we're gonna be reacting to, it's a single. So today we're gonna be reacting to YUNGN Lil'P featuring Stone 2, Cuddy S, and the song is called Slide. If this is your first time ever watching one of our videos, appreciate it heaps that you stopped by to watch. And if you're wanting to consider subscribing, please do by clicking on my logo over there or click subscribe at the bottom. And please don't forget to click that bell to keep notified on when I upload videos for you guys. Goodness me, let's get to the track. Yeah, baby.
There's a disclaimer. Any weapons or drugs seen in the following video are props only for entertainment purposes. Only. Please don't get at us. Don't come at us.
I like the beat. Oh, money. Oh, I like the top.
So sweet.
Guarantee I'ma ride for all of my niggas. You move up running down with all of your niggas. All I know is I'ma slide for mine, and whatever come with it. I'ma ski skirt when I pull up and then hop out with them Glocks out, no kid. Guarantee I'ma ride for all of my niggas. You gon' be running down with all of your niggas. All I know is I'ma slide for mine, and whatever come with it. Ski skirt when I pull up and then hop out with them Glocks out, no kidding.
Watch how I slide by when I pull up, and I ski skirt on them face. Hater no mind, you know the vibe. I just stay focused on my cake. Emerging my lane, we going.
This sounds familiar, like
the beat or the way he's rapping.
With the song, isn't it a bit like a YUNGN LIL?
Oh,
somebody,
a little bit.
Yeah.
Cuthbert. So it sounds like.
No, but someone here in Australia. Someone always has that same vibe.
Oh, it's got that. That's what the beat sounds like.
Yeah.
YUNGN LIL's song.
I just stay focused on my cake. Emerging my lane, you gon' regret it. I lost my brother, I can't forget it. Too many losses, counting my blessings. Overly cost me the show progression. Overly cost for these happily endings. See it in movies, forget they pretending. Flipping and tossing, don't hang with the weapon. Catch you in traffic, put you in your feelings. Yeah, I've been on the road trying to catch a load, yeah. Hey, they wanna wet me, I can't let them win.
Oh, they have those things too. They have those car fresheners too.
The dices, you only see that in the fob cars. The Vans.
I'ma ride for all of my niggas. You move up running down with all of your niggas. All I know is I'ma slide for mine, and whatever come with it. I'ma ski skirt when I pull up and then hop out with them Glocks out, no kid.
So they're talking about they'll do anything for their brothers, and obviously the first guy was talking about how he lost a brother, stuff like that.
For all of my niggas. You gon' be running down with all of your niggas. All I know is I'ma slide for mine, and whatever come with it. Ski skirt when I pull up and then hop out with them Glocks out, no kidding, no. 10 toes and I never fall, see I ride for all of my niggas. Never told and I keep a pole if they tripping off of my niggas. Some of these niggas be clowns, I put it down, I do it for all of my hitters. Make a decision, I'm checking and shaking. If it's in the studio or in the kitchen, yeah. Gotta get it, my pen hurt. Been through the struggle, I've been hurt. For all of mine, highlight yours, we don't gotta prove that we big dirt. Never behind, I slap beside it, I ain't gotta ask if they down the ride. Never behind, I slap beside it, I ain't gotta ask if they down the ride. Guarantee I'ma ride for all of my niggas. You move up running down with all of your niggas. All I know is I'ma slide for mine, and whatever come with it. I'ma ski skirt when I pull up and then hop out with them Glocks out, no kid. Guarantee I'ma ride for all of my niggas. You gon' be running down with all of your niggas. All I know is I'ma slide for mine, and whatever come with it. Ski skirt when I pull up and then hop out with them Glocks out, no kidding, no kidding, no.
I know. Is it just me or? Oh, sorry. Rest in peace, Swiss P.
Yeah, rest in peace, Swiss P.
Is it just me or is it Australia and New Zealand they only say it's day one? They say ride for.
I think it's
because you don't hear them saying day one.
I think sometimes they say.
Oh,
okay. True.
Yeah, like they have their own different slang.
Yeah, for sure. America's always been that type. It's either usually we branch off of what they their slang is, or
no kidding, no. No kidding, no. Oh, yeah, no. Oh.
Now this guy looks wasted. It reminds me of Alofa and that house. The new one that side, eh? Damn.
That was nice. I like this.
Yeah, I really like this song.
Because it's almost similar to what we've been hearing here.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
With
It's not
Sydney.
too hardcore for me, like,
Yeah.
I'm not into hardcore stuff, but damn, I really like this song. What did
And
you
it had a
think?
nice flow.
Yeah, the beat's
tune,
nice, yeah.
I love the visuals. I quite liked it. I wouldn't say a 10 because, you know, with me a 10 would be something relatable and something that, you know, just brings
It's
a
really
tear to
stood-
my eye
yeah.
or something. But I'd say a 9. Because I really liked it and I'm kind of already used to that kind of flow.
Yeah, slowly getting to it.
Because we hear it here. I just can't pinpoint who, whether it's YUNGN LIL's.
Yeah, I
that
feel like
same
it might be a
kind.
YUNGN Lips. Like when he started
Don't
singing.
sound like YUNGN LIL's,
Yeah,
but
because
that-
of that. Like when he started singing a little bit or started going higher, that's when it sort of sounded
yeah,
like
like
YUNGN
I'm not
Lips.
going. Nice.
Yeah, I give it a 7. I give it a 7. I actually really like this. It wasn't too bad. It just didn't, you know, like hit me in the foot too as much as I wanted it to. But I love
like
that,
how?
like, you know, like a shame.
Like this.
But yeah, definitely rest in peace to all the brothers that they've lost. We see that they're part of the S gang. Let's go. No. But yeah, love that they're talking about, you know, doing anything for their usos. The loyalty is strong over there. Like over there, that definitely shows through that they'll do anything for their brothers.
Definitely.
For sure, man. I love
Just
the beat.
it's no different everywhere else.
Yeah. But those guys, man. America don't play, man. But yeah, I really like. The visuals were alright. It wasn't too bad. I like the quality of it. I loved how
nice.
more chill it is.
Beautiful, clear.
Yeah, really nice and clear. And I love the colouring as well. Like I love how they did the contrast or whatever it was.
I just like the flow, the
Yeah.
video. I like the flow of it. It wasn't too harsh, and it just went. It
Yeah,
flowed
it's
beautifully,
flowed nicely,
transitioned
yeah.
beautifully.
It's not like someone was out of place or anything. Yeah, I really like the beat. But yeah, I feel like I would give it a 7. But yeah, fams, please, I have the information to the track in the description box below for you guys to check out. Please don't forget to subscribe to Block Music Ent.
2 C's, Block.
Yeah, 2 C's. And also please subscribe to their channels, check out their music, and follow them on their socials. I have it down in the description box. But yeah, fams, we'll see you guys in the next video. Much love, stay safe. Bye.